Hi everybody, I decided to use Screencast-O-Matic for my multimedia project, or multimedia format for my presentation. The video that I chose was on the topic for high school biology students. I'm currently doing my junior field in 9th grade biology classroom. A few weeks ago we were talking about protein synthesis, and so I looked up videos around that topic. This video I found was very, very, very helpful. I found that it was very, very helpful, so I'm going to play a clip right now, so if you just pay attention to the YouTube video.
With computer animation, we can enter the cell to view this remarkable system at work. After entering the heart of the cell,
it's not until further along that they actually talk about about protein synthesis. This is an mRNA molecule leaving the cell, or leaving the nucleus.
The messenger RNA strand is directed to a two-part molecular factory called a ribosome. After attaching itself securely, the process of translation begins.
And this is where the main content area of the topic would be for students, beneficial for the students.
Inside the ribosome, a molecular assembly line builds a specifically sequenced chain of amino acids. These amino acids are transported from other parts of the cell and then linked into chains often hundreds of units long. Their sequential arrangement determines the type of protein manufactured.
Okay. Now, my critique of this clip is that I absolutely love the visual graphics that it has. And I love the narration. It makes you feel like you're watching a documentary, as if you're watching, Blue Planet or Life of Plants, or, something that you would see on the National Geographic Channel. Something that it has the feel of a professional video. What I don't like about it is in the very first part of the clip, it doesn't use specific terms. Instead of saying RNA polymerase attaches the nucleotides, it just says a machine does this, and it kind of has like a little Pac-Man showing how it attaches the different nucleotides into the molecule. I feel like for how short of a video that it is, that it should at least be giving these students the correct terms that they're going to need to use. And that has to do more with transcription rather than translation, but I still feel that the student should be learning those terms, because I feel that it'd be very beneficial for those students. So that would have to probably do along with the scripting and the content of this video. I would rate that about probably a 3 out of 5. Those terms are very important for those students, and if they go into a test saying, well, I just know that as a machine does this because that's what I watched in the film, that's not appropriate for putting on an assessment. They need to know those terms of saying that it is RNA polymerase, it is certain things. Other terms. Another thing that I felt about this video is that it is very short, so it does keep the students' attention for that few minutes. I really enjoy the background music. It kind of makes you feel like you're, I don't know, at one point in the video I feel like it's almost Jurassic Park type themed music. It just seems so epic, I guess would be the terminology for it, that the students are just, I feel like if I was a student to watch this, I'd be very engaged in the film. Let's see some other things about some other things about this film. I feel that the graphics are great. Not really sure what else to say. I'll probably say a little bit more in class, so that's it for right now. Thanks!